Hello children, my previous lecture I had to cut down due to some technical reasons. So we are going to continue with the same problem. What did we learn children now? This sum. Angle alternate to M and D. So what is angle alternate to M and D? So M is here. M and D. Now you must have understood now children how to mark MN and ND. So MN is coming here and ND is coming here. So this is the angle formed. This much तो समझ में आ गया होगा अभी कैसे angle mark करना है. So what they have asked, angle alternate to M and D. Now do you think this is lying between these two lines? So this is the interior angles. Now alternate means alternate interior angles means cross, crisscross. So इसका cross क्या है? This. Now how will you name this children? Why don't you try? See where it is starting and where it is ending. Here starting. So in which line it is lying? Yes, AM. And in which line it is ending? This line, that is MN. So M is 2 times. So you write AM, AMN. AM and okay. Now let us go to this angle alternate to AMP. AMP. Okay. Where is AMP? That is AM and MP because M is common, right? So AM and MP. Where is AM children? Yeah. AM is here and MP is going up. MP. So here. So this is the angle formed AMP. Angle alternate to AMP. Now from this we have understood it is not interior because it is not lying between the two angles. It is up. That means exterior हो गया. Now alternate means alternate exterior angle. अब ये बाहर है तो उसका alternate exterior भी बाहर होगा and crisscross. So this is left side. That means ये भी बाहर होगा and right side. So this is the angle which is formed. Below, this is above the line, left side. This is also below the line, nothing is there. So this is exterior, right hand side, crisscross. Okay, now how will you name it children? What is this line? QN. And what is this where it is ending? ND. So how will you write? N is common. So QND. Or you can write DNQ also. So angle DNQ. Now we have come to the last part. Okay. Angle vertically opposite to PMB. PMB. Vertically opposite. Vertically opposite means? Yes. So vertically opposite means this. Now you must have understood how to name AM and MQ. No, this is N, sorry, MN. So, what is common? MAMN. So, angle AMN. Now, in the same way, angle corresponding to CNQ. Last question. CNQ. CNQ. So, where it is meeting? Here. Corresponding, same pattern. So, same pattern, same side. So, this is left hand side. Pattern is like this. Below the line. So, here also below the line left side. So, this is like this. This also is like this. This is below CD. This is below AB. And this is the same marking like we did previously. So, it is AM. Hope you understood children how to name the angles. Now we will be solving to find x or y in the form of angles. Bye for now. If you like the video, press the like button and share with your friends. Bye.